If you're a mixed media artist, slow stitcher, or journal maker who loves working with textured, one-of-a-kind fabrics, you're in the right place. I'm Vina, curator at Anitavee Textile Designs, where every fabric tells a story, and every bundle is hand-selected to spark your next creative piece. Each week, I release a brand new play bundle every Tuesday and a sneak peek every Thursday so you can plan ahead. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Our first piece in this bundle is a silk shantung. The color is olive green, and it is embroidered with various types of safari animals and tropical foliage. The animals that you get on your piece will depend on the cut of the fabric, so there'll be different animals depending on the piece that you get. This piece is actually from some sample cuts that I had, so you're going to get a nice little portion of it. It's about 16 inches by 8 inches wide, so there's a lot to work with. Okay, our next piece. This is a very flowy, soft hand Chanel material. The color is a dark olive. You can see the texture there. Very nice piece of fabric. Okay, and then on the back, now there's a very, very light coating, but you can barely feel it, and it's really not affecting the hand or the softness of the fabric at all. Our next piece, now this piece I really like. It has a type of a dull satin type of material for the face fabric, but if you look closely, there's actually lines of stitching right through it. Okay, various lines. There's a good close-up of it. So that's a really nice, interesting piece there. And then on the back, even the back has a lot of interest there that you can almost use either side for your projects, but I actually selected it for the front. Okay, now this piece, this is a mid to heavier weight type of upholstery material, but there's no backing on it. If you are familiar with the African mud cloth, especially the undyed versions that are kind of like a creamy white color, this weave is almost identical to that. So if you look, if you saw it, you would actually think that it was mud cloth. So that's kind of like the size of the weave there. And our last piece, this is a very lightweight linen. It is a tighter weave linen. The color is ecru, and this is a nice neutral piece to use in your project. Okay. Now, this bundle is our olive collective mix. Okay, this is our olive collective mix bundle. Each play bundle is a small burst of inspiration. If you want larger cuts or companion fabrics, explore my foundation and curation bundles linked below. Join my VIP email list for free shipping plus $5 off your first order, early access to new releases, and private sales not offered to the public. Thanks for watching this week's play bundle. Subscribe for unique fabrics for mixed media, slow stitching, and fabric collage. See you Thursday for the sneak peek.